Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirobbilalamin. In this video, I will repairing a Acer motherboard with problem cannot turn on. Shorted indicated by power supply unit protect when I plug in this to the motherboard. Okay, this is sorted. Let's find the problem source of this motherboard. The first step is because this is sorted, we must check the resistance of the DC jack. DC jack is fine, not sorted. And then find the main MOSFET. Let's check using the multitester to find the main MOSFET. I think this, but oh yes, this is the main MOSFET. This is the main MOSFET. Gate, and this is the sorted here. Oh, ini malah short. Oh enggak. Okay, this is the main MOSFET. This pin connected with DC jack, and then this pin is output of this MOSFET. This is the gate pin, and the output pin of this MOSFET has sorted. You can see my analog multitester almost sorted, and this condition is not normal, because in the normal condition the resistance of this pin must be very high, but this motherboard its resistance is very low, about 5 ohm. Okay, let's check it out what happened of this motherboard. The next step is check the 3 volt and 5 volt. This is VCC core, VCC DDR. This is 3 or 5 volt. This is V inline. This is to the battery. The V inline have sorted. This is the 5 volt or 3 volt, because this is the IC that working as the controller of 3 or 5 volt. Okay, because the 19 volt has shorted and usually caused by the broken of a small component like micro capacitor, like this SMD capacitor. So I will try to give the low voltage to V-in line and find the hot component. Maybe this hot component broken. I will give 4.4 volt to the DC jack. This IC very hot. This is the charger IC and very hot. Okay, let's try to remove this IC. This is the LDO IC. Included by two MOSFET that working as the switching component to charging the battery, to charge the battery. Okay, check again the V-in line. Still shorted. I think this caused by other broken component. Okay, now not sorted again. After I remove this IC, this is the controller IC of 3 volt. Have broken. You must replace this component. Okay, because I have not this IC, I will buy this and I will continue to create the video after I have this IC. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel to get the notification when I upload the video about replacing this IC. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.